we came into Boots, and it's more like a Sephora. Like, look at this. This is our home sweet home for the week. We're staying in the Marriott at County Hall. We're about to get run over by a car. We're at Five Guys for lunch. So here's my haul from today. I got this really pretty poster. These were all little postcards. I got this chocolate. It's champagne dark chocolate with Pop Rocks in it. And then this tea towel. I also got this little pin. It says London on it. And then I got this perfume set, which I'm really excited about. Okay, we just stopped at Boots. They have boxes of ibuprofen, 16 tablets in a box for 25 pence. It's like roughly 50 cents. That is crazy. I should buy all my medicine here. Guys, I love my hotel robe so much that I sleep with it as an extra blanket. I love a fancy robe. We're here! Harry Potter time! All right, I wanted to get my picture taken at the actual platform 9 3/4 today, but so do all of those people. So I think we'll pass today. Y'all, I'm such a bad Harry Potter fan. I didn't even put it together in my head until we were like coming home that today is September 1st, which is the day everybody goes to Hogwarts. So that's why I went to King Cross. I was so excited. They're giving out these actual tickets. It has today's date on it, which I'm just like, that's so cool. So I have my own Hogwarts ticket. Also tonight I'm being lame and I'm ordering a pizza and staying in the hotel. My mom and dad are going out for like a date night. And I'm tired and we have to be up early tomorrow. So I'm staying here. Finally getting on our bus for Oxford. It's only 8 in the morning, but we've already had a morning. So we had to stand in line with like 1,000 other people. So fun, good start to the morning.
Which is actually one of the oldest colleges, but
I'll go and get the tickets. We've called ahead, so they'll just give me the ticket straight away. It'll take me 2 minutes. Come back, and then I'll give you a ticket and a map as you're getting off. Yeah.
All right, we're at Highclere Castle, and it's majestic and beautiful. This is Downton Abbey. I think Mom almost cried. It's gorgeous. Just enjoying some cake and a bottle of champs with our view of the castle. Y'all, I've literally never wanted a bride and groom in front of me more in my life. Like, I need a bride and groom. All right, we're going into Harrods. Me and Mom are, oh, Mom's dying.
Sorry about that.
We are just browsing Chanel bags, as you do.
Training.
Just doing some casual shopping. Just looking for some small, inconspicuous purchases. I mean, come on. Alright, we're at Shake Shack because we're about to see Hamilton, and getting Shake Shack is a Hamilton tradition for us. Who's excited for Hamilton? Y'all don't actually seem that excited. Are you excited? It's Corey's first musical. We're in the room where it happens. It's beautiful. Excited, excited, excited. Okay, so in terms of theater, the Victoria Palace kicks the Richard Rodgers butt. The Richard Rodgers is so small, and this is gigantic. Getting ready to see Hamilton. These are our seats. The theater's beautiful. We've got this overhang right in front of us, but we still have a great shot of the stage. I'm very excited. All right, interval, which is what they call the intermission. I think this cast might be better than the New York cast. We're back from Hamilton, and I'm starting to pack. All right, guys, it's really late, but I just wanted to let you know Hamilton was so amazing. I almost liked it more than the New York one. It was so good. Everyone was just so different, and it brought something new to it. It's our last day in London. I'm so sad. I don't want to go home. All right, guys, I have arrived at my homeland. This is the lush Oxford Street. I'm so excited. Dad's looking overwhelmed. Dad, do you like it? Oh my God, this whole room is bath bombs. The whole thing. We are waiting for our tour at Buckingham Palace, which is right over yonder. So we're just exploring the parks until that time. So this right behind me, that was Buckingham Palace. We weren't allowed to have our phones out at all, but it was so beautiful. I want to move in. Guys, I can buy a tiara in the Buckingham Palace gift shop. I can just buy my own crown. This is the Royal Garden. We're taking kind of a long way home today, enjoying our last evening in London. We're walking through St. James Park right now. We just went through the tube for the last time.
It's very sad.
All we have left is dinner and then packing, and then we come home early tomorrow. All right, we're at dinner. I dressed down for dinner because I'm very tired. But we're at the place where we had lunch the first day, so it's a nice round circle for the trip. Goodbye, little square behind our hotel. Thanks for our good food. We're all tired. Look at that tired family. Last night at our pretty hotel. My poor family having to deal with all my Instagramming. Getting ready to leave. Goodbye, pretty hotel room. Goodbye, bed. You were a very good bed. Goodbye, London.
Just waiting on
We're on the plane.
I'll have more about our estimated time of arrival.
We don't have anybody back here yet. Empty plane. No one wants to fly on a Tuesday. Wednesday. What day is today?
Today is Wednesday.